Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, working with Prism pour paints from Colour Arte and covering a 14 by 14 inch canvas with my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that you can find on my Amazon link. Always. Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under Show More, probably way down under the promo code for 20% off for Colour Arte. In any case, I'm using Meeden Black paint that I have added Floetrol and GAC 800 to, and in the right quantities it turns out to be a one coat black, which is amazing. And fortunately I figured out by instinct how much it would take. So I'm going to put some puddles of paint on the canvas and see what happens, because that's just how much time I've got left. Not a lot. And I may swipe. I'm going to use some, that's the Meeden Black. I'm going to use some I'm going to use some Chantilly lace. Because I want this stuff to flow, and some Aztec gold. And I should probably have a fifth element over there. I'm going to use some of my pink diamond. I actually just want to pour this. And I have been enjoying the Bonfire. And I'm going to go for some of the Water Dragon. And let it be joined by some Frozen. Trying to go with my instincts. A little bit of Fandango. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling a swipe coming on. Let's go with a little bit of the Blue Velvet. I'm going to sneak in, because I can, some Hot Orchid, which you can't get anymore, but you might want to check and see if the powdered pigments have some jasmine. How about a little tiny bit of Claret? I wanted some yellow. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's Mango Tango. I've got something called Poinsettia, which I'm completely smitten with. And somewhere around here I have some Ambrosia, which I think will go perfectly well with that Bonfire. And I might use some Pink Lady. And I guess it's just going to be another spatula swipe, which is okay. Let me find my Pink Lady. There's my Pink Lady. Let's give that a bit of a stir. If I didn't move my, what did you do with all of your spoons? Well, I guess we'll just go for the palette knife. What I was really looking for is, there it is, the pink Daliah, which is another gorgeous color. Come on, off you come. I had a whole slew of spoons. I moved them. I'm not seeing them anywhere. Let's make sure I don't have any black in there. And I think I might hit it one more time with a little bit of Chantilly lace. And then I'm going to try and finish in a timely manner. I'm also going to put a little bit more black in there. Maybe I'll just use the black cell activator. I'm going to throw a little bit of random, I had some orange. I don't know how old it is or what brand it is. It's got some vivid polypore like everything else in there. Let's put these out of the way as best I can and go to town. So I'm going to start with the white. And I've got a clean spatula waiting for me that I want to dry off. I'm liking that I started off to one side. And I want to go this way, so I need to figure out how that goes. I think I'm going to indulge in some Dioxazine purple. That's Amsterdam white in Aussie Floetrol. And I can't leave my bottles in the way and spin my tile, so. And I'm going to grab a little bit of black for this next section. And I wouldn't mind if I was able to leave myself some negative space. I'm probably going to tip. I am scraping my spatula off on the surface of my artwork, which for me has worked. So far so good. I am going to grab probably a small acetate tool, and if I haven't included the video, or you don't see it under this video, just ask me. I'm loving those colors. Those colors are fantastic. Maybe if I'm done quick enough, I can show you with the light from my camera, or from my phone at least. Let's grab a little more white. There, I like that a lot. It maybe didn't take a long time. Let's let the color relax off. Do I want something else? I kind of do. I want a little more Chantilly lace. And I think I'm going to use it with some purple. It's a Dioxazine purple from Master's Touch. Just a few curvaceous marks, changes things to something I like more than I like without them. How about that? So, am I done? That's a good question. I kind of want to put a little bit of the frozen right there. For whatever reason, and maybe some of the Chantilly lace too. I think if I wipe that off and use some purple, I might be okay with that. Okay, so that's kind of cool. think I want a little more blue frozen right there. And maybe a little more there. Tried to mess my spoon up. Alright, so do I want to do anything to that? Not really. Do I want to do anything to anything? Whoa, slippery. Use a little tiny bit more ambrosia. And call it fairly good. Not leaving any loose ends. And if I'm very quick, and I better be, I'm going to go grab what I said I was going to do. I hope. Oh, I am not organized today. Give me a moment. I wasn't actually ready for what I was planning. Gosh, I love that poinsettia. So, I'm not sure how this is going to work. But I'm going to try my flashlight. Oh, it just ended itself. That's not cool. There we go. I'll show you guys some of the amazing, amazing sparkle. Let me just see if I can see what you can see. And zoom in a little. And maybe even move around. Oh, wow. There's amazing cells. There's incredible shimmer. I gotta get busy getting some resin together and find a place to do it, because these prism pours just deserve the heck out of some resin. One hand on the phone and one hand on the camera. I am... This is not my finest moment, I gotta tell you what. Oh, okay. Well, hopefully you can see some of that, which is amazing from down here anyway. It just looks like snow. I've got to hit this with a little bit of torch, and then I'll be good to go. And tell you guys, check out the promo code for 20% off Colour Arte underneath the video, if I didn't mention. Check out my my spring clothing showing underneath the video. I'm going to be checking with a skewer for anything that might be protruding, and tweezers also. And tell you guys, thank you guys for being here. Check out the end screen for my exhibition video that includes the prizes for next month for the drawing, for those of you who contribute through PayPal. And there's going to be a calendar, my calendar, you can see that on the exhibition video for that's showing in December. And it will be one of the prizes for February. I kind of want to just spend the time necessary to find things, but I think this is a bad time for me to think I'm going to do it to you. So check out my email address if you have interest in purchasing an artwork, or if you'd like to know about lessons. Private lessons one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Let's just zoom out again as best I can. I'm up high on a wire rack. Everything is precarious here. On my Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Society 6 is the bomb. Check out what's there. My Le Gallerist is clothing made in Montreal, investment quality. And I have yet to add more designs, but the designs that are there are awesome. My paint pouring recipes should be under the video, as well as the colors I used. if all goes well, if you have questions, please ask me. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you very much for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate that. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I have over 2,300 videos on playlists, all playlists, created playlists. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find those playlists. And if you can't find what you're looking for, I have them organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and I can help you with that. Also, if you're looking for the PayPal icon or the link, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link is on the link tree. And if you make a donation, you will be automatically invited to become one of the participants in the monthly drawing. This is just getting better and better and better and better. So that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for being here. I post every day, and it should be around noon Eastern Standard Time, but who knows? I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Honestly, I'm pretty thrilled with this, and if I didn't do a great job showing it to you, I wish I could do it better, and I'll try. I'm learning. So bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.